So here's the solar panel with the C charger. This is the mount for the solar panel. You just screw this part in to the back. Here's the instructions, the screws for this one and the screws for this one. This is the mount for the camera itself, which goes here. Here's the camera. They give you an extra USB to C charger in case you do not want to use a solar panel. You could connect it directly to the power source. So there's the plug for the C charger, and here's for the memory card. So let's install this and show you how it works. So you can see the power buttons on the right and the reset button on the left. So the instruction says to hold the power button. So let's go ahead and do that. There you go, it turned on.
Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light to flash red. Select a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter your password.
Here's a solar panel with the mount. There's the wire. So there's the camera. I'll put the solar panel on the side, and the camera's right here.